Pininfarina Electric Transformer House. The Pininfarina Electric Transformer House revolutionizes mobile living with its innovative design and eco-friendly features. Developed in collaboration with AC Future, this expandable electric RV transforms into a spacious 400 square feet off-grid mini home, offering luxury and sustainability in one package. It is equipped with solar panels that generate 25 kilowatt-hours of energy and an atmospheric water generator capable of producing up to 50 liters of clean water daily. These features, combined with its sleek design, modern amenities, and smart technology, ensure a comfortable and sustainable living experience. Perfect for those seeking adventure without compromising on comfort, the electric transformer house sets a new standard for eco-friendly mobile lifestyles. Vision TX. The Vision TX cab over truck is a futuristic concept focused on enhancing aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Its sleek, streamlined design reduces drag and improves mileage, making it perfect for the transition to electric vehicles. The interior prioritizes driver comfort and innovation, featuring a central driver's seat and advanced technology like mirror cams. The Vision TX combines style, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, setting a new standard for the future of trucking. Farizon Homtruck Cableless Truck. The Farizon Homtruck Cableless Truck is a groundbreaking innovation in autonomous electric vehicles. Developed by Jay's Farizon Auto, this futuristic truck is designed for closed environments such as ports, logistics hubs, and mines. With no driver's cab, the Homtruck Cableless uses advanced AI technology and sensors to navigate fixed routes safely and efficiently. Built with a robust protective shell, it ensures reliable operation even in demanding conditions. The Homtruck Cableless is set to revolutionize logistics and transportation, offering cutting-edge autonomous driving capabilities that increase efficiency and safety. Expandable Trailer. The Expandable Trailer offers a perfect blend of space and comfort for travelers. With extendable sections activated at the push of a button, it transforms from a compact unit into a spacious living area. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen, cozy sleeping quarters, and a modern bathroom, providing all the amenities of home while on the road. Ideal for camping, road trips, or long-term stays, the expandable trailer combines convenience and luxury, ensuring you enjoy every moment of your adventure. Pricing varies by brand, features, and size, typically ranging from $10,000 to $30,000 for a new model. Hyundai Trailer Drone. The Hyundai Trailer Drone is a revolutionary concept in autonomous, hydrogen-powered transportation. Using e-bogie subframes similar to train wheels, it offers a fully autonomous, zero-emission system for container transport. This innovative vehicle delivers precision maneuverability, including diagonal crab walking and turning in place. With a range of over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge, the trailer drone is designed for versatile applications in logistics and shipping, providing a sustainable and efficient solution for the future of trucking. KAMAZ Jupiter. The KAMAZ Jupiter is an advanced autonomous mining truck designed to transform the mining industry. Known as the KAMAZ 6559, this innovative vehicle handles unmanned ore and overburden transport in quarry operations. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, including 2D and 3D LiDAR, ultrasound, radar, and GPS inertial navigation system, it ensures precise and safe operation without a driver. Its 11.9 liters inline 6-cylinder engine powers an electric generator that drives a traction motor and charges the batteries. With a 30-ton payload capacity and a shuttle mode for efficient loading and unloading, the KAMAZ Jupiter enhances productivity and safety in mining operations. Lefort Track 600T. The Lefort Track 600T is a powerful, self-propelled shear baler designed to boost efficiency on construction sites. Powered by a 400 horsepower Scania engine and larger pumps, it delivers faster and more productive performance than standard models. The Track 600T is engineered for unmatched mobility, allowing operators to move the machine directly to the scrap, reducing the need for hauling material. With its advanced technology and robust design, it offers a highly efficient solution for scrap handling and recycling operations, helping save time and cut costs. Perfect for large-scale operations, the Lefort Track 600T sets a new standard for productivity in scrap processing. Knapen Trailers. Knapen Trailers, a leading manufacturer since 1984, is renowned for its innovative moving floor trailers designed for rugged, heavy-duty tasks. These trailers feature hydraulically powered floors that enable efficient loading and unloading, while their fully openable sides provide versatility for transporting a wide range of cargo. Committed to sustainability, Knapen Trailers incorporates solar energy to power its robotic welding processes, ensuring the production of high-quality, eco-friendly products. With a focus on durability and functionality, Knapen continues to set the standard for moving floor trailers in the transportation industry. Kenworth SuperTruck 2. The Kenworth SuperTruck 2 is a groundbreaking innovation in freight efficiency and aerodynamics. Developed under the Department of Energy's SuperTruck program, this ultra-fuel-efficient tractor-trailer achieves a 136% improvement in freight efficiency. Powered by a Packer MX-11 engine paired with a TX-12 transmission, it features a 48-volt mild hybrid system and advanced aerodynamic enhancements, delivering an impressive 12 miles per gallon average. With a 7,100 pounds weight reduction, the SuperTruck 2 sets a new standard for sustainable and efficient long-haul transportation. FUTURIA. The FUTURIA motorhome is a luxurious and innovative vehicle crafted by Most Mobile Specials in Germany for those seeking the ultimate travel experience. It boasts a spacious interior with modern amenities, including a fully equipped kitchen, cozy living areas, and 2 bedrooms. A standout feature is its rooftop terrace, complete with a whirlpool hot tub, making it perfect for relaxation and entertainment. With a sleek design, a powerful engine, and custom-built options, the FUTURIA motorhome delivers a one-of-a-kind adventure on wheels,